Good morning, good people. How are you doing? Yeah, so good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are watching me from. Yeah, so if you are returning subscriber, karibu sana. And if you are new here, or you just bumped into this channel, kindly consider subscribing, like, comment, and share it to your friends. Yeah, and just feel at home. This is where you belong, and I guarantee you, when you are in this channel, you'll learn more. Yeah, about everything actually. Yeah, so my good name is Emma Cutie, and I'm back with a new content. Yeah, so our today's video is about benefits of mint, the peppermint, to our poultry. Yeah, so I'm telling you, if you feed the mint to your chicken or to your poultry, you will never go wrong. Yeah, it has so many benefits to your poultry. Actually, it's for any type of poultry, either the broiler, the local, the layers, any type. So no exception. Yeah, so I'll just take you a bit about the benefits. Yeah, just a few of them. Yeah, so benefits of poultry, benefits of mint to our poultry. Actually, it's a herbal remedy, and it is really beneficial to our poultry. Number one, it is rich in phosphorus and calcium. Yeah, it also contains vitamin A, C, D, and E. Yeah, which support the body immunity. Yeah, so that is one of the benefits. Another benefit is like it helps in egg quality. So the egg size will be big, and it also boosts the egg production. Yeah, it also has antibacterial properties, so it will fight all the bacterial diseases. It has coccidiosis properties, so it will fight the diseases like coccidiosis to our poultry. Yeah, another thing is it helps have the egg have a yellow color, and for sure, if you eat it, it is very yummy. Yep. So another thing is it helps in weight gain in broilers. Yo, those people who are keeping the broilers, this is for you. Make sure you give your chicken or your poultry this peppermint. I'm telling you, you'll get the size and the weight you need in a very short time. Yeah, another thing is like it has a very strong scent. So it repels the rats, the mice, and also the fleas in our chicken. Yes. So peppermint has so many benefits to our chicken. Yeah, it also help the chicken digestion, so it is good and it's nice. So don't stop using it regularly to your poultry. Another thing it has antioxidant properties which are good for our poultry. Yeah, and what I can say is you can give it to your poultry in either juice or as it is as leaves, and surely I promise you you'll see the benefits of it. Me have been giving my poultry the peppermint, and I tell you, the egg production is it has gone high. The percentage has gone very high. It works wonders, and I also want you guys to use it also. So come with me. We go and first the peppermint, and we give it to our chicken, and after some few hours you'll see what I'm trying to say. So come with me. Yeah, now this is what I'm talking about. This is the peppermint, for those who don't know what it is. This is what it is. So if you have this in your garden, you just keep on trimming all the time, and after you trim, it helps in it will you'll have mint all through, because it will increase the production, the vegetative production. You see, I just cut like 5 days ago. Yeah, and you see how it is doing well. So I can promise you this is the best remedy for your chicken ever. Try it at home. So that's what I was trying to show you for the people who doesn't know what peppermint is. Yeah, this is another portion of peppermint, and this is what we're gonna harvest today. Yeah, so join me in harvesting. Yeah, you see, just using the scissors to harvest it. It is the best ever, I promise you. You see, after a few days, you come back here, we'll have new leaves, new shootings. So also the cuttings of the helps have new fresh leaves. It also activates the growth. You see. Yes, this is it. Yeah, so we have now enough. We can take it to the chicken. Come with me. Yeah, now you can just give it as you like. You want to make it juice, it's okay. You can also give it as lips, as the leaves, and they will just pick it out. Yup, that is it. You see, they are really enjoying eating the peppermint. Yeah, it's also tasty, and they enjoy it. Yeah, you see. They really enjoy eating it, yeah? So just give it your poultry and you'll see the benefit. So let me give them time. So because they have just fed and now they are eating the leaves. So I'll be back after some few hours, and I will show you, like for example, like the egg production. I will show you the number of eggs they will have laid, because I've been giving them this mint, and I tell you guys, the egg production is too high. So I'll be back after some few hours and I will show you. Okay, see you then. Yeah, it's around noon. Yeah, most of the chicken have finished laying. Yeah, just a few remaining. So I will take you through and see what I was telling you. Yeah, it's time to collect the eggs, and I am a happy farmer because I can see most of them have laid, and others are still wanting to lay. Yeah, so you see, this is what I was telling you. Peppermint improves egg production with a very high percentage. So see what I was telling you? A lot of eggs. A lot, a lot, a lot. You will never miss eggs and you'll never go wrong with peppermint. So let's take. I got late to take them. So it's around noon. Actually, most of the egg of the hens I've already laid. So we are now collecting the eggs. Collect the eggs. We can see more are coming to lay. As you see, they are still laying. Yeah, so it's, we are taking the eggs and they are still laying. Yeah, the egg production is too high. You are happy every day. Very happy, very happy. Happy farmer. See, so many eggs. Thank you. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Sorry. Yeah, sorry, baby. Yeah, so this is what we have. A lot of eggs. You see? So what I can just tell you is give your chicken peppermint and you will never go wrong. So you see, I have like 2.5 trays of eggs. Yeah, so thanks for being with me throughout the video. See you in another video. Yeah. See you in another video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you so much.